How to set up call forwarding on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. After you open settings, click on search button at the top right corner of your screen, and then in here search call forwarding. Then click on call forwarding in here. After you click on call forwarding, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on call forwarding again. Then in here you'll find different options to forward your call. Select the one you prefer. After you select the one you prefer, at the bottom you'll find this kind of screen. Add number to forward. After you have added number, press on turn on at the bottom and you're good to go. After you're busy, it will be forwarded to this number as I picked when busy. And this is how to set up call forwarding on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.